Eat avocado, but never make these 6 mistakes. Avocados, it's often hailed as the crown jewel of superfoods, are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and powerful antioxidants. They've become a staple in modern health-conscious diets. But here's the catch. Even the healthiest foods can backfire if you use them the wrong way. In this video, we're uncovering 6 common but dangerous mistakes people make when eating avocados. These aren't rumors. They're backed by research, real health data, and nutrition science. If you eat avocados daily or even weekly, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. While the fats are healthy monounsaturated fats, excess calorie intake can contribute to weight gain, especially when avocados are added on top of already complete meals. And let us know in the comments how often you include avocado in your meals. People trying to eat healthy often overconsume avocados, thinking they're free from dietary consequences that can lead to gradual weight gain or metabolic imbalance. Let us dive into the 6 critical avocado mistakes that could secretly harm your health and how to enjoy avocados the right way. 1. Eating too much in one sitting. Avocados are caloried. A single large avocado can pack over 300 calories. This reaction can escalate to serious conditions like hives, abdominal pain, or even anaphylaxis. Most people don't realize that just one full avocado can provide nearly 1/3 of the daily recommended calorie intake for someone trying to maintain or lose weight. If you have a history of allergies or experience unusual symptoms after eating avocados, it's important to get evaluated by a healthcare provider. Eating an entire avocado regularly, especially if combined with other high-calorie meals, may set you back on your wellness goals. It's caused by cross-reactive proteins found both in avocados and in natural rubber latex. The risk increases if the avocado is stored improperly or has come into contact with contaminated surfaces during shipping or grocery handling. To protect yourself, always wash your avocados thoroughly under cold water while scrubbing the surface before slicing them open. A proper serving of avocado is about 1/3 to 1/2 of a medium fruit, approximately 50 grams, or around 80 to 100 calories. Harmful bacteria like Listeria monocytogenes and Salmonella can live on the rough, bumpy skin of the fruit. Track your intake and use avocado as a substitute for other fats, not an add-on. 2. Ignoring food allergies or sensitivities. Avocados can trigger allergic reactions, particularly in individuals with latex allergies, a condition known as latex fruit syndrome. People with this condition may experience itching in the mouth, swelling of the lips, throat irritation, or more severe allergic reactions after eating avocado. According to allergy experts, nearly 30 to 50% of people allergic to latex also react to avocados. But this approach can lead to overeating, especially when avocados are added on top of other calorie-dense meals like sandwiches, smoothies, or grain bowls. Avocados often fall under this category. These 2 nutrients, while essential for health, can interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners like warfarin, ACE inhibitors, and potassium-sparing diuretics. At the same time, excessive potassium intake in people taking heart medications can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition that causes dangerous heart rhythms and muscle weakness. Replace other fats, like mayonnaise, cheese, or butter with avocado, rather than stacking them all together. Also be mindful of oral allergy syndrome, FODMAP sensitivities, and histamine intolerance, all of which can make avocados difficult to digest for some individuals. In some cases, these fruits may harbor invisible microbial growth or damaged fats that become harmful when consumed regularly. Once ripe, refrigerate and consume them within a few days.
3. Not washing the avocado skin, on the other hand.
An overripe avocado can harbor mold and oxidized fats that upset the stomach or potentially affect your health. You may think you don't need to wash an avocado because you're not eating the skin, but that's a big mistake. And even improve your skin, but make sure you're consuming the right amount in the right way. When you cut through the skin, your knife can carry pathogens from the surface into the flesh. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Food safety studies show that unwashed avocados can be vectors for foodborne illness. Extra insight. Even though you're not eating the peel, it's the entry point for bacteria when cutting through. Avoiding these 6 mistakes can help you enjoy all the benefits without the hidden risks. 4. Pairing avocados with the wrong medications. Avocados are naturally high in vitamin K and potassium. Vitamin K can reduce the effectiveness of blood-thinning medications, potentially increasing the risk of blood clots. If you're on medication for heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes, eating large or inconsistent amounts of avocado can alter your treatment outcomes. Always consult your doctor before drastically increasing your avocado intake if you take medication regularly. 5. Using avocados as a free food. Because avocados are healthy, some people treat them like a guilt-free snack.
In nutrition science, there is a term called the health halo when a food's reputation causes people to underestimate its calorie content.
Instead of treating avocados as a bonus ingredient, they should be used as a fat source substitute. Substitute, don't stack. Use avocado in place of higher fat ingredients, not alongside them. 6. Eating unripe or overripe avocados. An underripe avocado is hard and bitter, offering fewer nutritional benefits and poor digestibility. You may not always see signs of spoilage. Some overripe avocados develop internal browning or a stringy texture that indicates degradation. Always check your avocados for ripeness. A ripe avocado gives slightly when pressed gently and has consistent color and texture inside. Store uncut avocados at room temperature. Storage tip: keep sliced avocados in airtight containers and consume them within 2 to 3 days. Add lemon juice to reduce oxidation. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-rich foods on the planet, but like any food, they must be used wisely. From healthy fats and fiber to powerful antioxidants and heart-protective nutrients, avocados can enhance your diet, but only when eaten with awareness and moderation. Use them to boost the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, support cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation. If you learned something new today, please like this video and subscribe for more science-based nutrition and wellness content.